Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see 10 extensions which will be effective for increasing your productivity. So first, that is Max Folk, which can be used to have a preview of the page whichever you want to open first. Like this, you just need to hover on it and you can see the preview like this as it is showing. You can do that, and if you find it useful, then only you have to open it. But it is a paid extension in which you get a limited amount in free version. But if you want to upgrade it, you can do it with the paid versions also. So the second is Fonts Ninja, where you want to see which type of fonts they are using in whichever website you are watching. Then you can use this extension to find that out. So first you need to log into this, then you have to add that to the extension too. Go to the website. After going to the website, you have to click on this, and then you have to select the Fonts Ninja option. After clicking on it, it will show you the analyzed fonts here. As you can see, you can see here. But if you want to get the particular one, then you can just hover it on it and you can see which fonts they are using. So it can be used in that way to increase your productivity. The third extension is Bonjour, which is used for creating a preface like this for your device, if it's PC or a laptop. So it is one of the way to create or customize it however you want it and increase your productivity. The fourth is the extension is Camel, which is used to compare the prices of the same product on different websites. Like I want a glasses, so I'll get the glasses from here and see the price range or whatever features I want in it, and compare it with the another websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or any local website if I want to check, for example, Lenskart or something. So that's how we can use this to compare the products. For example, I can here, as you can see, I have opened it in here, where if I want this bag, then the Amazon, I can add it from here. I can add it from the third party, and if I want this bag, so I can clearly compare it from wherever I want, and that's how you can check the product prices too. Then the another extension is the Wikivand. The Wikivand is used to get the information, so it's basically an AI with the information of Wikipedia. So you can add whatever you want or get information from whichever thing you want from here by typing it here, whatever you want to ask, like where was the causes for the French Revolution for now. So it will give me the art AI overview and then the article which is in the Wikipedia, or I can get the another articles also. So it's great to have for a research purpose, and you can chat with the Wikivand too from here. Then another extension is iCloud Passwords, where you can add your passwords and manage it. So if you have the issues with remembering the passwords, you can add them in this, and you just need to open it for your passwords. So now you don't have to go to the forget website twice a week. So it will save your time also. Then the another extension is the dark reader, which is actually used to create dark mode on your website or wherever you are using your device on which, and you can also specify on which browser you want it to be. So technically it takes care of the screen where you have to see all day, and it takes care of your eyes in some senses. So in dark mode it says to be there's a low amount of strain on our eyes. So that's how we can use it. The another extension is raw focus. This application can create a focus timer and ambience which is suitable for you in whichever time you can select. Like wherever you want ambience to be quiet, you can select it from there. As a there are ambient background sounds like Amazon Forest and Experimental Temple and the Raid. So you can select the voice you want to hear for calm you down. The another extension is the volume master, which boosts your volume up to 600%. It is also available in different browsers also. So that way you can have the voice boost from here if you want it. So sometimes after recording you feel that this voice is not perfect, or sometimes while listening you feel like that voice is not coming in ample amount in if also kept on 100% voice. So you can boost it while using the volume master. Then the another extension is U blacklist. It is also used to block the specific sites from appearing on Google search results. Here you can see different search engines are supported here, and you can customize which website you don't want to appear on your device or on your browser. So you can select that, and it will prevent U blacklist will prevent that website or that recommendation to come on your web browser. So these are some extensions which will be useful to you to use to increase your productivity. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below that how do you feel after using these extensions. Thanks for watching.